Welcome to this tutorial video where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install, set up and configure your app, Eventbrite Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. When you are done installing your app, reload the page and then you search for the custom page of the app. Then you're going to see this pop-up interface right over here with all the necessary assets such as the documentation to start your journey with this specific app. We have the Smart Queue tutorial that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup, no worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the Start Setup and you'll be required these credentials to complete your app configuration. Copy our redirect URL. Head to the account which we've created online. Click on your profile and then you click on account settings. Click on developer, links and head over to API keys and click on it. Then you're going to generate a new key. Then you complete this form. Give a sample name and then you paste the redirect URL which we copied right over here and toggle on the terms of use and click create key. Then click on show API key, copy the client ID, head to your account, click on start setup and you paste. Copy the client secret and you paste. Then you click on complete setup. Once you are done clicking on the complete setup icon, will redirect you to this page. Click on allow and your app will be successfully configured and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and our team will assist you promptly. And as well, schedule a one-on-one video session with our expert support team. We have the Changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available 24/7 for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.